In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily convert your video to anime by making use of this AI tool called the Lensgo AI. So you want to simply go onto Lensgo AI. I want to right here. You can easily tap onto the AI generation platform and click onto animate videos. So once you're right here, guys, on the video section, all you want to do is to simply just select your model. So right here, I'm going to make use of Anime Prime right here to be my model. Then the next thing, select your image dimensions. I can make this to be 16:9. Now my video duration should be normal. So next thing is to upload your video. So you tap on that. So guys, once you're done uploading your image, this is it. You simply imagine your creation, you put in a prompt. So I can just make use of this right here. So this is it right here. So once this is done, as you can see, it's going to take close to 19 to 20 hours for this to be able to convert your video to anime. It does take a lot of time depending on the size of your video right here. So right here, guys, this is how you can easily just convert your video to anime by simply just uploading your video, and within a few hours this will be done. So simply try out this step in order for you to be able to convert your video to anime.